Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I sent a quiz to all of my crushes. पहले तो ये आइडिया इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग साउंड कर रहा था. I saw Avanti and Riya Gogol do this. I was like, I need to do it. But now, अब मैं फिल्म करने बैठी हूँ तो I just realized that I have to react and respond to their. I have to see their responses. I mean, I'm nervous. I didn't think it through. So a week ago, I sent a quiz to all of my crushes, and it started as it said, "Hey, if you've received this, it means I've had a crush on you or have liked you in the past, mostly. I am sorry if this is awkward for you, but this is for a YouTube video. Hashtag dedication over Izzat. Please try to answer these truthfully. I hope I have not embarrassed myself much and have a great day ahead, Ishika." Most of the people I sent it to out of nowhere, and I could see by that reaction that they were a little shocked, like, huh, what, yeah, what, but whatever. So the next thing is, what are your initials? I'm not gonna reveal their
names or their initials,
but I still ask them for my whatever. Next question is, did you know that I had a crush on you? Yes, no, kinda, other. Did you ever had a crush on me? Yes, no, kinda, other. If you knew that I liked you, how did you tell? And rate my physical attractiveness from 1 to 10. That is nah, and she cute. Rate my personality from 1, not my type, to 10, so swag. And next, what was your first impression of me? And then what terms are we on right now? And how awkward is this? And any message for me or the viewers? I think we should begin. So I'm not gonna reveal their names or their initials, but I'm just gonna say boy number 1, boy number 2, whatever. So the first guy, I had a crush on this guy in 6th in 6th grade. I had a crush on this guy in 6th grade, yeah. So the first question, did you know that I had a crush on you? Kinda. I mean, he did know that. He did know. He's lying. I know he's lying because he knew I had a crush on him. Whatever. Next, did you ever had a crush on me? What is this kinda, bhai? I knew he had a crush on me. What is this? If you knew that I liked you, how did you tell? What is this? Rate my physical attractiveness 7 on 10. I mean, okay, I'm not offended. Like, I'll take it. I'll take 7. Chalega. Rate my personality 9 on 10. That's what we're talking about. That's it. What was your first impression of me? It's an emoji with this hearts. What terms are you on right now? Yes, we don't talk much. 1, I agree. How awkward is this? Not at all. He's lying. I know he's lying because we've never spoken after school. After 7th or 8th grade, we have never spoken, and I just sent your quiz out of nowhere. It is awkward. So the next guy, I don't remember when I had a crush on him. I guess around 8th grade. Yes, mostly around 8th grade I had a crush. 8th or 9th, I had a crush on this guy. 8th, yeah, 8th grade. So first, a question, did you know that I had a crush on you? Hell no, I mean it. I don't believe this guy because I remember that I told him that I kinda liked him. I mean, I don't know why he said that he don't know. I mean, maybe he doesn't remember it.
maybe I don't know.
Okay, he says he didn't know. Okay. Did you ever had a crush on me? Koishak, I know he had. He's lying. He's just playing. I know he had a crush on me. If you knew that I liked you, how did you tell? I would have said प्यार का पहला कदम दोस्ती है और आखिरी भी, बस उस बीच के कदम रह गए हैं. moving forward. Rate my physical attractiveness 7 on 10. Bhai, 7 क्यों? Sub 7. ठीक है, I'll take 7. I know there's gonna be somebody at least who thinks I'm above 7. Rate my personality 8 on 10. Okay. It's nice. I like it. Okay. What was your first impression of me? I'd call you a cute little beast. I understand cute little, but why a beast? What terms are we on right now? We are not on 2. I don't think we are on 2. We are at least a 4 or a 5, not a 2. 2 is less. How awkward is this? Not at all. Yeah, everybody is saying we are not on good terms right now, but it's not at all awkward. What is this? Child, theek hai. It's not that awkward. I'll take it. The next guy, I had a crush on him as much as I don't actually remember if I had a crush on him. Now that I see him, I know that I had a crush on him, but I don't remember when I had a crush on him. I just know that I had a crush on him. He is a mutual friend. The other guy also was a mutual friend, and this guy also is a mutual friend. Did you know that I had a crush on you? No. Yeah, I get it because yeah, he did. I know that. Did you ever had a crush on me? No. Whatever, as if I care. Rate my physical attractiveness 8 on 10. Good. Somebody who at least thinks I'm 8 on 10. Thank you. You're also 8 on 10. Rate my personality
10 on 10. Oh my god.
I love this. I love this quiz. I love these people. I mean, why is this making me so happy? What was your first impression of me? Cute little kid. Yeah. When I met him, I was a kid. I had a crush on this guy. Also, I think around 8th or 7th. Yeah, I had a lot of crushes when I was young. I mean, what terms are we on right now? 3? I don't think it's a 3. Yeah, I mean, it's a 3. Yeah, I'll take a 3. Okay, 3. How awkward is this? 4. Is it? Yeah, I think he had no idea I had a crush on him, so it must be awkward. Okay, fine. Any messages for me or the viewers? Like, share, subscribe. Guys, listen to this guy. Like, share, subscribe. So the next guy, I had a crush on him when I changed to a school. Like, I was new to this school and I didn't know a lot of people, and this guy was like the captain of my house. Like, I was in okay, never mind. So this guy was the captain of my team, and a lot of people would ship us, I guess, together. So yeah, I had a crush on this guy because this guy was a genuinely nice person. So okay, let's do this. Did you know that I had a crush on you? Yes. Yeah, I think it was obvious. We talked about it. Yeah, we talked about it, and I think yeah, he knows. Did you ever had a crush on me? Yeah, I knew that he had a crush on me too because we used to talk. Rate my physical attractiveness 8 on 10. Okay, I'll take 8. Whatever. I like myself. Rate my personality 8 on 10. Okay, I thought you'd give me more, but whatever. Yeah, 8 on 10 is nice. I'll take it. What was your first impression of me? Damn, she's pretty. Also went crazy when I saw you in the same house. Yeah. Yeah, because I was a new girl, and you know, people talk about like new girl coming into school, la 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 la. He was not in my grade. He was like a year or 2 older than me. But he was in the same house, so people would say, and I was really good in sports. He was like the captain, so it's like I had a little advantage. What terms are we on right now? 1. Yeah, I actually followed this guy just to send him this quiz, and he knows that. And we have never really talked after I left school, or after he left school actually. So yeah, 1. How awkward is this? 10. Very. Oh my god, I'm really very sorry. So the next guy, he is my childhood friend, and I know him from a really long time. And okay, this is gonna be fun. Do you know that I had a crush on you? Yes, of course, because I told him. I mean, yeah, we were childhood best friends, and yeah, I had a crush on him. Whatever. Did you ever had a crush on me? Yes, I know that he did. He though had a crush on me before I had a crush on him. So that's that. If you knew that I liked you, how did you tell? Confess through a confession story when you used to make music leads. Yeah. I put up a story saying if you have a confession, like do you wanna like confess something to me? He said that he had a crush on me. He like replied to it like I had a crush on you and something like that. And I was like, oh my god, you still have a crush on me? He's like, yeah. I'm like, oh my god. Then we started talking and then I had a crush on him. So yeah. Rate my physical attractiveness. 8 भाई कोई 8 से ज़्यादा दे दो अभी मैं परेशान हो रही हूँ 8 तो I don't expect this from you हाँ I shouldn't say that. Rate my personality 5 out of 10. This guy, I hate this guy. He's still a really good friend of mine, but I still hate him. I hate him. What was your first impression of me? You look good in that bathtub costume. Yeah. So we used to live in the same building, and I just moved into this building. Okay, came up at my house to meet me. We just moved into this building and a lot of सारे building के बच्चे हमारे घर पे आ गए कि चलो friend बनाएंगे दोस्ती करेंगे. I had a little bathtub, like a little pool thing, and I used to wear a swimming costume and I would take a bath उसमें. So when he came, I was in my balcony in the pool and I was just chilling, and that's what he's saying, that I look good in that bathing suit. Thank you. I hate you still. What terms are we on right now? 3, yeah, because we are having a feud and we sort of had a fight. So how awkward is this? Not at all. Yeah, it shouldn't be because we're childhood friends and yeah. Any message for me or the viewers? Guys, this girl is great. I am sorry most of y'all didn't get a chance, but so to describe, she's a very good friend and very dear to me. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel. XOXO. Okay, I forgive you. I'm just a very forgiving person. Like, that's really sweet. So the next guy. I had a crush on this guy very recently, like last year. Yeah. Did you know that I had a crush on you? Kinda. Yeah, I mean, I never confessed, but it was visible. Did you ever had a crush on me? Kinda. No, I knew you did. Like, shut up. I knew this guy had a crush on me. Nah. He never confessed, but I could see it. Like, if you knew that I liked you, how did you tell? Well, I don't know. Yeah, he's dumb. I mean, what is this? Rate my physical attractiveness. 9 or 10. This guy, you are a nice person. Nobody gave me 10 on 10. Nobody. Like, I hate these people, but 9 on 10 I'll take it. I don't claim that I'm 10 on 10, but yeah, 9 on 10 is good. Like, actually very good. I don't even think that I'm 9 on 10, but
Bitch be changing moods faster than her crushes.
thank you. Rate my personality 9 on 10. I'll take it. Actually, I should. I mean, that's really good. Thank you. 9 on 10. What was your first impression of me? Studious and cute. Yeah, we actually met through mutuals, and we used to have this like group study thing, and we actually met there first. I used to go to teach some of my friends like accounts and stuff, and he also came there to study with his friends. That's why he might have thought I'm studious, but I'm not. And cute I am. So what terms are we on right now? 10 on 10. Yeah, we are still really good friends. Good friends. How awkward is this? Not at all. Yeah, not at all. It shouldn't be. I mean, any messages from me or the viewers? All the best for you both. You too. Yeah, everybody who's in 12th, all the best for you both. Varsha Gaikwad. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't know how to react to most of the stuff because I was like, okay, okay. Yeah, I can't wait for this video to be live and everybody to see this. And please don't even try to guess who these people are, because if you try thoda zyada, you might know. Thank you everybody who participated. They were a really great sport. Thank you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you like it and have a nice day.